I got to talk to you guys a little bit about the mindset. Look, I want you to understand the minute you start thinking and overthinking, you're putting overloads of stress on your brain. And then you're really raised up about what you want to do. You're hyped, like, oh, I want to do this. I want to do it right. I want to take action, or I want to go get 5 cars, or I want to do business funding, but I don't want to do personal funding, things like that. You get yourself so high, and then your mindset that has limited beliefs make you think it's not possible. So you get shot right back down. And then you don't really take advantage of opportunities that you may have. So you got to clear your mindset and make sure that you are following the blueprints that are provided, the steps that are provided, the game that is provided, the sauce that is provided. Don't overthink it. If you overthink it and think it's not possible, you're going to cause stress on yourself. It's going to make you want to give up. You're not going to go as hard as possible. Stop overthinking. Get the game. If you have questions about the game or what's being provided, you ask about it and then you go do it. A lot of times, we can't take advantage of opportunities that we have because we don't take action on it. We're just not action takers, right? You have to take action in every single thing, right? So if it says, structure your LLC this way and there's a training on it, do what the training says. It doesn't matter what you learn on Google or what you hear from another entrepreneur or some guru who doesn't know what the hell he's talking about. None of that matters. We give this game away because we've done it. We've gotten 250, 300K on an LLC, brand new LLC. So stop listening to outsiders or people that aren't actually doing it, right? Stop listening to them and listen to the people who actually have motion, who's actually doing this stuff, who's actually doing it for other students, other clients. Like, that's gonna be, dang, that sun out today. I ain't gonna lie, I'm already sweating. But that's gonna be more valuable than, getting caught scrolling online, looking at YouTube, or listening to people who aren't really doing what they say they're doing. So I don't want you guys to get caught up in that. If we have the game and we have the blueprint and we're providing that to you, follow it. Don't get in your head. Don't get in your head at all. If we say structure the LLC that way, you structure the LLC that way. You get your The banks are still taking registered agents. There's no need for, virtual address. I don't know why you would buy one if you got the registered agent. You would just use that address on your business bank account, all that information. All the banks are looking at is the ownership. Who's on the paperwork? Name. Are you the owner or a member? That's what they're looking at. So all the other stuff that you may hear online, it's not true. We're doing it, right? LLC, EIN, matching, registered agent. That's the address you use. That's your business address, professional email. That's info@tmcluxmanagement.com. Professional address. You can make it. Get it off of WordPress. That's your professional address. Phone number doesn't matter. So do that. When I say go get the cars, when you know what kind of cars you want to add to your fleet, go get it. Go run the play. Because the minute you run that play longer than 30 days, it's going to hit your credit and it's going to be hard to get approved for stuff. So if I say you got to do this simultaneously right in my training, then you have to do it simultaneously. So have the number of cars that you're going to get set and go get those cars. Stop bringing yourself down, especially if you're a mentee and you invested in this and this is something that you're doing, right? Why would you want to bring yourself down? You already invested. You're already a client of ours. You're already a student. You already have the game. You already have the sauce. You already are having staff members working on your stuff. So don't hesitate. Don't stop. Don't get left behind just because of what your mindset may believe. We are actually doing this. Follow the steps provided. Ask questions and get help on confusing situations. Leverage the training. Use the training and go win. A lot of times it's just our mindset and not wanting to take action. You got to take action. Look at the market. Look at these days. Look at the country. Look how everything is.